Today we will learn linear regression, but before that we need to know about a brief thing of variance, covariance and coefficient of correlation. So what is called variance? Variance is when one variable is varying from mean. So that is called variance. Whenever a single variable is varying, then how is it varying from the mean is called the variance. And in place of one single variable, if we take two or more variables, then how these variables can vary together with their means, with respect to their means, is called covariance. And coefficient of correlation is determining how effectively they are varying. The variables are how effectively they are varying together. Okay. So what is the use of correlation coefficient? Use of correlation coefficient is in case of covariance, when we find out covariance, it can give any value. But in case of correlation coefficient, it will give only values from -1 to 1. Okay. Now, if the coefficient of correlation is 1 and near about 1, so that means we can say that both the variables are strongly positively correlated. And in case of -1, both the variables are strongly negatively correlated. Now, what is the meaning of positively correlated and negatively correlated? Positively correlated means, suppose two variables are varying. When both the variables are increasing or both the variables are decreasing, in that case we can say that the coefficient is the correlation of coefficient is positively correlated, or both the variables are positively correlated. In that time, the correlation coefficient will be positive. Okay? And in case of negatively correlated, both the variables, one variable will increase and the other variable will decrease. Okay? So in that case, the variables are called negatively correlated. Now, whenever we cannot find any correlation, means we cannot say that this variable is one variable is increasing and the other is decreasing. If we cannot say anything about that, then we can say that both the variables are not correlated or they are independently varying. Okay. Now, one more point is the coefficient of correlation. It has no units, but covariance has units. And covariance, if we change the mean, or the center, covariance can change. But if we change the mean or center, there is no effect on the correlation of coefficient. Okay. That means if we shift the diagram, if we shift the graph of both the variables, then covariance will change, but correlation coefficient will not change. Okay. Now let us see some of the formulas of covariance. So this is the formula of covariance. There are two variables, x and y. X bar and y bar, you know, it is the mean. This is the mean of y and y bar is the mean of y. And n is number of datas of each variables. Okay. Now this is the rho xy determines the coefficient of correlation. This is basically covariance of xy by sigma x, sigma y. And what is sigma x, sigma y? It is the standard deviation of x. It is standard deviation of y. Okay. We know that sigma x is the square root of variance. Okay. And variance is what? Variance is the